logistics people, let's hear more about our barcode camera solution today.
Since 1918, Panasonic is the leading manufacturer, supplier, and developer of AV technology and camera applications. The spin-off iPro offers a broad range of professional cameras for warehouses. Advanced technologies such as analysis and security technology that uses deep learning to take advantage of innovations such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Parcels arriving at the warehouse can directly and automatically be scanned so that they are registered as received in the warehouse management system. Tracking within the facility can then easily be managed.
Next time, I'd like to introduce a very special concept for sorting optimization. Don't miss it.